Someone hands you a script. You want to run it. You don't want to trust it. This bonus episode is about the 3 flags that make that safe: sandbox, timeout, and max memory. The doors, the clock, and the heap. Here's a perfectly innocent-looking script, and by default, it runs with every permission you have. It just read a secret off your disk and your home directory out of the environment. Nothing stopped it, because nothing was asked to. Same script, 1 flag, and look closely at how it fails. This isn't permission denied. Under Sandbox, the dangerous procedures don't exist. The file library won't even load, and both reads die as undefined variables. You can't call a door that was never installed. And what does sandboxed code get to keep? Everything that's just computation. Fib of 25, 2 to the 100th, full speed, exact bignums, no complaints. The sandbox blocks the doors, not the brain. Second flag, the clock. This script loops forever, proper tail calls, so it'll spin politely until the heat death of the universe. Timeout gives it 1 second of rope, then stops it with a real diagnostic, code and all. Third flag, the heap. This one cons as a list that never stops growing. Max memory caps it at 10 megabytes, and the allocator, not your laptop's swap file, is what says no. Put all 3 together, and you have the untrusted code posture. No file system, no environment, 1 second, 10 megabytes. And the thing worth noticing, honest code ran under full armor and never felt it. One nuance for the road. Under Sandbox, OS threads won't even import, but fibers still work, so concurrent code has a safe lane. That's the Sandbox. 3 flags, and code you don't trust becomes code you can run. This was a workshop bonus. Season 3, and the seasons before it, are on the channel. See you at the next pour. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.